Hey guys, I wanted to do a recap video of the E-mini S&P 500 from today. It's March 24th, and I'm only going to be discussing the IT cross trading strategy, just because that's a very popular one that not only do I use in my own trading, but I would always recommend it for a new trader just because it keeps things simple and lets you follow those rules objectively for the most part. So anyway, and my time, I'm in Arizona, so my time, I think it's 7 in the morning, the markets start, and I never catch the beginning anyways. But um, when you see this first cross up, the red crosses over the blue, that instantly tells you, all right, I'm going to look for a buy. So the next time that price enters the sell area, I'm sorry, the buy area, which is the zone between the red and the blue line, I'm looking to buy. So as soon as price enters, I'm buying it here, represented by the yellow arrow. The first target is the last swing high, which is what you see right here with my mouse, but obviously it blasts through there and it carries on for a ton of profit. It's just a matter of where you want to get out there, which that's a discussion in itself, so we'll skip it for now. But carry on. You see that the red line crosses below the blue, so we could be looking for a sell in this area. The problem is that the price on this bar right here never penetrated the last swing low back here, so there's no momentum telling us to really look for a sell, so I skip it. But again, if you wanted to be aggressive, you could sell it in here. There's just not much strength there, so I skipped it. We're in an uptrend, so as soon as it crosses back over, I'm looking to buy the next swing, the next buy zone area, which is right in here. So as soon as it gets in here, I'm buying. That's the yellow arrow. The first target you see again is the last swing high, which is right here. Over here it goes and it breaks that, so there's your profit. Nice little one quickly. In the meantime, price did, or the red did cross below the blue. You can't really see it here. Maybe if we zoom in there, you can kind of barely see it. But again, it's been in an uptrend all day, so I'm not looking to sell right there. Since price does make a new high right here through this last swing high, the next time price gets into the buy zone, I'm looking to buy right in there. So again, I'm buying at the yellow arrow. Next target for my profit is this swing high right here, which it reaches over here. So another winning trade. Again, the red line crosses below the blue here, so maybe looking to sell, but there's just no momentum going down, so I skip it. Crosses back above the blue right here, and price barely comes into the buy zone, so if you're lucky, you'll get a buy in here. I tend to be more picky with my prices, so with the limit order, I probably wouldn't get filled there. So if you're lucky, you get it. If not, then no worries. You wait till the next one. This was my favorite trade of the entire day coming up here, this sell. What we have is, first of all, we have a double top here, and I won't elaborate on that too much, but the important part is you have a swing low right in this area where these three bars are, and price breaks through there, and at the same time you have the red crossing below the blue. So the next time, as soon as that crosses below, I'm looking to sell, and since this time there is momentum, you have these bars that broke through the last swing low. There's momentum on the selling side, so next time it bounces back into this sell area, the sell zone, I'm short, and I sell it at the red arrow, and this is almost instantly a profitable trade. The first target is this swing low here that it formed, and obviously it blasts right through that, and it ends up going for at least 3.5 points down here if you got it out at the best time, and very quick and perfect setup trade. Carry on further in the day. We get a buying opportunity here when you have a swing high right here. Price breaks through it at the same time the red crosses over the blue, so the next time price enters the buy zone, which is in this area, you get a buy. And depending on how tight you are with your stop losses, it's very possible that you get stopped out on this trade for a small loss. It's tough here. I probably would have gotten out right in here, so I would have lost about a point and waited for the next entry. If you do hang on and you carry a 2-point stop loss, you would have been okay, and you actually would have ended up making a nice profit here, but I like to keep my stops pretty tight, so I probably would have lost that one. This could be a sell in here, except for, again, it's been in an uptrend all day for the most part, and you have a swing low here, a major one, and as soon as price tested it here, it couldn't break through and hold. So I'm scared to sell it in here, even though the setup is there and you could sell it. I'm scared only because it didn't break through this last swing low. So I waited out, and instead it ends up forming a perfect double bottom here. And on your next opportunity, it's actually a really good one to buy in this buy zone on the IT cross setup, because you get the red crossing over the blue, price pulls back down, and you buy at the yellow arrow. It actually is it's kind of a risky trade because there's not much profit potential. You don't know where your profit target is other than the last swing high, which is right here, but it's good for a little bit, and it actually does go a little bit further if you hold on. Then it kind of chops around for a little bit. There's not too much, and it kind of takes us into the end of the day. There is at about 12:45 my time, there's a IT cross sell opportunity right here. If you want to be aggressive and try to get one last trade in between it there. But again, at the end of the day, I'm not looking that hard to get into new trades. So that's kind of the recap. All in all, it was a very good day for the IT cross trading system. I think we had, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, and maybe one of them was a loss, and the other ones were at worst a break-even exit, and most of them had a nice profit. So trading this system alone on the 990 tick chart could have easily given 5 to 10 points depending on, again, where you're getting out of all your trades, which is a great day profit-wise on the S&P 500. Thanks, guys.